When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare Thotakura Barada. It's a very healthy recipe. Same time, it's very easy to prepare. So come on, let's get started and check out the process. Take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil gets heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, give a good mix. Now add turmeric powder, add 4 to 5 garlic cloves, add finely chopped onions, once onion get translucent, add finely chopped amaranthus, cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add required amount of salt, red chili powder, mix everything. Add half cup of basin flour. Combine everything. Fry it on a low flame. Once basin flour get fried, now switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl. That's all, Thotakura Barada was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare blue velvet brownie. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notifications, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.